Morning folks, it's Thursday the 1st and on the loop of another day. Yesterday we had some F-15s come through, managed to film 4 F-15s that came through twice, and also managed to film this A400. So hopefully today something else will come through. I've seen Jigsaw, we've got an A400 that's possibly on its way down. Very early on this morning we had a Texan come through, but I missed that. So hopefully today something else. We might get some F-35s maybe. So fingers crossed. There's some thunderstorms predicted later, so I'm not sure what the weather's going to do later. So anyway, keep watching. Thanks for sharing the videos, and bye for now. Right. This A400 has now come over the border into Wales, North Wales. It's come on a bit of a round the country tour, and hopefully on its way to come through the loop. So it's only 11:30, and this will be the first decent pass of the day if it comes through. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Never mind. Oh. I was just gonna go. I was gonna say, oh yeah, it's not coming through. 7 minutes it took to get from Bala, that. So that's a nice pass anyway. Lovely. I was just about to give up, but very nice indeed. Another A400 pass to add to the one that came through yesterday. Result goes there. It's just turn left for McCuncliffe, and I thought it'll go towards Welshpool. Can't see it coming around the loop twice. Very unusual if it does, but I'll keep my eye on it anyway. You just never know. So there we go, Jigsaw. Lovely. How you doing, folks? I've had no F-15s through, no F-16s, just the A400. Had the odd Texan, but nothing of note really come through. And it's still very, very quiet. There's been not a lot up really. Nothing's come through the literal corridor. So it's been a very quiet Tuesday really, but at least we saw that A400 come through. We got that on video. It's 4 o'clock now. Got another hour. Possibility something could come through, but it's not looking very busy at all. So like I said, I'm here all week anyway, so it's not the end of the world. And it looks like it's starting to try and rain a little bit as well now, so the weather's not so great. So give it another hour or so and see if anything happens. It's 6 o'clock and all the Orcs have disappeared, and the Texans have had some F-15s through, and I missed the Phenom, but then I got caught a Phenom coming back through, so F-15s, 2 passes and a Phenom. But I was just looking, and there is actually an A400, and it looks like it may be on his way over to Wales. Now I'm not sure it's going to come through the loop. What you tend to find with these A400s is they miss me on the way up. They tend to go through bulk and then up towards Dalgay Fly, and then up into North Wales, and sometimes Scotland, then come back down. So I'm not really sure this is going to come through or not, but then what you tend to find is on its way back down to Bryce Norton, they do actually come back through the Corris Valley where I am. They go through the Cadwest Valley and turn left through Corris. So I'm going to watch this for a minute. Let's just see what happens with it. So we might possibly be getting a late pass on a Monday night. Bye for now. Like I said, there we go. It's about 6:30 now, and if you remember, I said this A400 it'll probably go up to North Wales, miss me, which it has, and now it's coming back down. Now it's either going to come down the west coast of Wales over Aberystwyth. It's going to cut in and go through Cad, and hopefully then it's going to turn left and come through the Cad, the Corris Valley where I am. So it's going to go over Port Maddock now, and then I'm hoping going to swing in. So this Lake Pass is still looking fairly promising, and it's squawking 7001, which is low level. Looking good, but you never know. Right folks, I'm just waiting now for this A400, and I'm hoping it's going to appear just over there behind that telegraph pole. It's only a minute or so away, a couple of minutes away I think. It was last seen over Delgethly about 30 seconds ago. So I'm just hoping it doesn't miss me. I hope it doesn't go straight over the lake. And it actually does come through here. It's actually due through. Any minute now. So that lady doesn't think I'm videoing her. Come on. See if we're going to come through here, it's going to go straight across the Tallyland Lake. They normally come through here. Come on, this will be a nice end to the day. It's about 7:15 now. Be nice if I could just get an A400 pass. Light on. That's not as good a picture there. Can't be more than a minute now. If it's more than a minute, I'm going to get a bit worried that I missed it and it's gone through the lake. Come on. A few more seconds, surely. I'm not confident. It's not here in a minute. Looking like it might be a bit of a false alarm right at the end of the day. Got it. Come on. No. Can hear something rumbling. Here we go. Beautiful late pass at the end of the day, 7 o'clock pass. Get in there, you beauty. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll be Back again tomorrow, my fingers crossed.